Okay, be honest. How many times have you Googled how to make money online and ended up watching a guy flexing his rented Lamborghini in front of a mansion he doesn't even own? Yeah, I've been there. But today, I've got zero hype, 100% facts. We're diving into 5 legit websites that can help you earn $100 per day in 2025, even if you're in high school, college, or just looking to escape that broke phase. And no, you won't need to sell weird diet teas or become the next TikTok influencer. So stay till the end. The last website could change your entire online journey. Let's make 2025 your independent income year. Let's go. First up, Upwork. This platform connects freelancers to clients worldwide. If you know how to write, edit videos, manage social media, design logos, even basic data entry, this is where you get paid for it. Don't have a pro-level skill yet? Start with beginner-friendly gigs like transcriptions, virtual assistant tasks, or simple Canva graphics. I know people your age pulling $25 to $50 per hour once they get consistent work. Do the math, 2 to 4 hours a day equals $100 easily. And the best part? No degrees, no upfront fees. Just skill, time, and consistency. But hey, what if you don't want to work every single day? Well, the next method earns while you sleep. Ever thought your doodles or funny ideas could earn you real money? With Printful and Etsy, you create t-shirt, mug, or hoodie designs and sell them. No inventory, no shipping. Printful handles the back end. You just upload your design, and when someone buys, they do the rest. Sounds too easy. That's because it is. Even simple text like introvert mode on sells like crazy when marketed well. If you get just 5 sales a day with $20 profit, that's your $100 per day goal met. Don't know design? Use free tools like Canva. Or ask ChatGPT for text ideas. But if you're more of a, let me just talk and get paid type, wait till you see number 3. Okay, imagine this. You visit a website, speak your thoughts out loud while navigating, and get paid $10 to $30 per test. That's usertesting.com. And yes, that's literally all you do. You're helping companies improve their websites or apps by giving honest feedback. And the best part? No camera needed, no resume, no complex setup, just you and your unfiltered thoughts. This works especially well for students and side hustlers who want fast cash without committing full-time. Do 3 to 4 tests a day and you're golden. But if you're like, okay, I want something bigger, scalable, long-term, this next one is your gold mine. Here's where things get juicy. YouTube isn't just about dancing, gaming, or makeup tutorials. With YouTube automation, you can create faceless videos using AI tools. That means no showing your face, no speaking, no filming. Use ChatGPT for the script, text-to-speech for voiceover, and Pictory or Canva to turn it into a video. Topics like tech reviews, finance facts, relationship advice, they work insanely well. Some faceless channels earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month with just 20 to 30 videos. It's not overnight magic, but it's real. And the income can become passive. Still with me? Awesome. Because number 5 is something so weirdly powerful, you'll wonder why no one talks about it more. Last but not least, Fiverr. This is your personal online shop for any service you can offer. From singing birthday wishes in funny voices to making resumes, editing videos, or doing homework help. You don't need to be famous or a genius. Just find one small thing you're good at and sell it as a gig. I once saw a guy making $500 a month just by drawing cartoon pet portraits on his phone. You can offer services starting at $5, but with tips and upgrades, many freelancers cross the $100 per day mark in weeks. And here's the kicker. The more reviews you get, the more Fiverr promotes you. But now, let's put it all together. Let's recap the 5 legit websites. Upwork, Freelance Your Skills, Printful plus Etsy, Create and Sell with Zero Inventory User Testing, Get Paid for Your Thoughts, YouTube Automation, Earn Passively Without Your Face. Fiverr turn literally any skill into money. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. To not waste another year wondering, what if? Your younger self will thank you. Your older self will respect you. The real question is, which one will you try this week? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If this video gave you even one new idea to start earning online, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Because I'm dropping more real money-making guides, personal finance tips, and side hustle ideas every week. Drop a comment below with your favorite website or a topic you want me to cover next. This is FinGenix, and remember, you don't need a job to make money. You just need the internet and a game plan. I'll see you in the next video, future millionaire.